In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage inventory on Shopify in 2025. Whether you're new to Shopify or just need a refresher, managing your store inventory effectively is crucial for ensuring your business runs smoothly. Let's dive into the world of Shopify inventory management and explore how you can keep your product listings up to date effortlessly. We'll start by accessing your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, click on the My Store or Home button to ensure you're on the main dashboard. This is where you can access all aspects of your Shopify store. Next, look towards the left sidebar where you'll see the Products tab. Go ahead and click on it to manage all your products in one place. Now that we're in the Products section, you'll notice an option labeled Inventory on the same sidebar. Click on Inventory to view and manage the stock levels of the products you sell. From here, you have the ability to import and export inventory data, allowing for bulk updates. To do this, simply click on Import if you have a CSV file to upload. Ensure your file is formatted correctly with the necessary details like SKU, quantity, and location. If you're looking to export your existing inventory data, click on Export. This will download a CSV file of your current stock levels, which you can edit and later re-import if changes are needed. Exporting can be particularly helpful for keeping backups or making large-scale adjustments. Let's continue by selecting a specific product, such as an example shirt from your inventory list. Click on the item to open up more detailed options. Here you can modify the product title by selecting the Title field. Keeping product titles clear and consistent helps customers easily find what they're looking for. Next, examine the Status section and ensure your product is listed as active. This ensures it is visible and purchasable on your store. If you make any changes, always click Save to ensure they're applied. With the product active, navigate to the Publishing options. Here you can adjust where and how the product is available or featured on your online store channels. Moving to media, uploading high-quality images is essential for showcasing your products effectively. Click Upload New to add or update images that enhance visual appeal and customer engagement. Furthermore, under Pricing, you can set the retail price for your product. Ensure that your pricing aligns with your business model and market expectations. To make changes related to in-house stock levels, go back to Inventory, where you can adjust the product quantities you have on hand, taking note of variations by location if applicable. Finally, manage how your products are shipped by clicking on Shipping. Make sure all settings here reflect your shipping policies, ensuring the customer experience is seamless. And there you have it. Following these steps will ensure your Shopify inventory is managed effectively. Remember, regular updates and checks can prevent stockouts and improve customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.